All right, congratulations. If you bought your brand new hosting account, kudos to you. You have a domain name and now you also have a hosting account. Now you need to connect this domain name to that hosting account. Okay, it's also called as pointing the name servers to the new hosting account. Let's see how to do that. It's a very simple 4-step process. Step number 1, we need to get into our domain account, get into the dashboard, and then manage that account and then dashboard. And this applies even if you're on GoDaddy or something else. You'll see the domain name and you'll see a manage button. Just click on the manage button. Okay, so there we go. That's our first step. Step number 2, go to your hosting account, and usually you would receive an email with the hosting account which will have the details of the name servers. And because you did it through Hostgator, you'll get 2 name servers, and on that mail will be all the details. Let me quickly show you how that looks like. Here's that email right here. Okay, and these are the 2 name servers. Okay, keep an eye on these. All you need to do is just copy this. Okay, I've copied the name server 1. Go back to my dashboard right here where I see name servers. Click on this drop down menu, and the third option is custom DNS. Click on custom DNS and just paste that name server in. Be very careful not to have extra spaces or any characters. Okay, so just to be sure, you can click on the back button or the delete so that there is no extra space. I'm going to do the same thing. Copy the second name server and come back to this and paste it on my Namecheap account. Okay, and that's all it is. You see there is a save button. Click on that small check mark, green color, and that is that, right? Very, very simple indeed. Now what do you do next? Well, I just showed you. Just copy the custom DNS, paste it, make sure there is no extra spaces, and then you can wait for about 24 hours. And for me, based on my experience, it happens well within 24 hours, but is going to be this. Divina Coutier. So I'm gonna, you could close this, go to a new tab, paste it in, and boom. Okay, you see it's already connected. It says Hostgator Web Hosting Website Startup Guide. So it's going to take a little time. Okay, and that period is called propagation period. It takes about 24 hours, but it happens well within that. And then you can get started building your website. This is your step number 1 in order to point the name servers for your domain on a new hosting account. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.